Happy day children. In this video we'll be seeing part 5 of decimals and its application. This video is all about knowing where we use decimals. So unknowingly we all are using decimals in our everyday life. You will be surprised if I tell you the applications or uses of decimals. So as you can see the pictures, this is a thermometer, right? A thermometer shows you your body temperature. So whenever you check your body temperature, it always shows you in the decimals, the digital thermometer. So you can check your body temperature or any temperature. If you check to get the exact result, it will be always in decimal form. The weighing machine, if you have an electronic weighing machine at your home, again yes, if you check your weight, it will always show in decimal. So decimal gives you accurate result. This is again a thermometer. This everyone must have seen. This is a electronic weighing machine, right? When you go to the shop, they weigh the product or the items that you have bought in the weighing machine, and it always shows in decimal. For example, you bought something for 2 kg. It won't be exactly 2 kg, right? It will be like 2.086 kg or 2.100 kg. So again it is mentioned in decimal. So where do we use? So use of decimal numbers in pharmacy. Pharmacy means what? In medicines. Where do we use? Yes, of course in medicines we use decimals. So as you can see the drug dose, okay, the medicine dose that they give you, the doctors give you, they are often in decimals. So the injection they give you 0.5 mg dose, or they give you 5.5 ml of injections. Or if you see in the medicine, the tablet, the cover of the tablet, sometimes it is written 0.5 mg. So in pharmacy, that is in medicines also, we use decimals. As you can see, many drug doses and volumes are expressed as decimal numbers. For example, you may need to add 5.2 ml of drug to an IV bag, or split a tablet to get a 0.5 mg dose for a patient. So IV bag means, when they put the saline in that, they put an injection, right? In that also they have a count. So that count is mostly in the decimal. So in pharmacy use decimal. Where else? So as I told you, you use decimals in weight. So when you check your weight or something, then temperature you use, measuring the distance or measuring the mass of something. There are so many uses. As I told you, whenever you get a bill, you check the bill, the amount will be always in decimal. So there are many ways or many things where you use decimals. Kindly make a note of it next time whenever you spot a decimal.